Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is the 12:30, April 3rd. Just want to go over a survey I'm doing and the logic behind it. Alright, let me show you here. So if you go under my channel, YouTube channel, right here, youtube.com/ you just use Quant Labs. Go into the community tab right here. The latest survey I've got is this. What would you be interested in? CME micro options or futures of Ethereum or Bitcoin. Second option is decentralized exchange like DYDX or Kraken futures. So I'm just trying to see what most people are interested in. All right, so what prompted this? A few days ago, an article came out. So we have here CME Group introduces micro-sized BTC and Ethereum options. Okay. What we want to really pay attention to is this one right here. Steve Sanders, EVP, Executive Vice President of Marketing and Product Development at Interactive Brokers. Let me repeat, Interactive Brokers. We continue to see interest in cryptocurrency exposure from our active trader and institutional investor clients. CME Group, Micro Bitcoin and Micro Either other options will certainly benefit our clients seeking enhanced flexibility to participate in cryptocurrency markets with less upfront costs, and we're excited to add these offerings to the wide range of global products currently available on our platform. So being able to do that on Interactive Brokers is a big deal. So their micro Bitcoin and Ether complement CME's group's diverse slate of 20 micro products that have traded more than 1.2 billion contracts since their introduction. Enables to trade futures, options, cash, and OTC, optimize portfolios and analyze data, empowering market participants worldwide to efficiently manage risk and market opportunity. Offered the widest range of global benchmark product across all major assets, blah, blah, blah. So we know about all that. All right, so that is trading right on the horse's mouth. So let's see what they got. Now, I got to add, this was just added on April 1st. Remember, today's the 3rd, 2 days after. This headline from The Block, theblockcrypto.com. CME Group is considering altcoin futures on Solana and Cardano. That's a big deal. Okay, so they may add other high-performing coins. Now, the futures for these shouldn't be that bad because they're not highly priced. I mean, Cardano is very low, but they want to make this, I would think, affordable for retail traders. So let me know what you think. So what are the other options that I mentioned here? You have decentralized exchanges like DYDX and Kraken futures. Now, Kraken futures is pretty well the real McCoy. The commission fee should be fairly low, but you're restricted. I'm restricted in Ontario, Canada. All the US is blocked out as well. So this is a big deal for those interested to be able to do it legally and right on the horse's mouth on the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Bank. All right, so this is a big deal for those that would be interested. And now you get into like the real McCoy options, but in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me know what you think. Now, again, decentralized, like DYDX, can be a little dicey because it's decentralized. It's not like you have somewhere to log in. It's through like a wallet. Something happens to your wallet, hacked or something, you're screwed. So Kraken futures is no go for U.S. and U.S. and myself included, Ontario, Canada. So you know why that is? Again, I call it special interest in, so that the CME can have a whole monopoly on this. I mean, that's why they do it. It's pretty obvious now, because I didn't expect this to happen, but here we are reading about it, and now they're bringing in 2 more coins. So, yeah, now you know why you can't trade futures in the U.S. But it could, if it's affordable, why not do it? And it's through legal means via you know, a standard exchange, or sorry, broker, if you're going to do IB on an exchange like the CME. All right, so considering through the, or going through this, we've got another article here from Woke Yahoo. First Movers America, either options shed bearish skew for first time in 2 months. Ethereum Bitcoin ratios, eyes, big move. We've heard about that. I've talked about that with the dominance and stuff. So here we are, talking about this stuff again. I'll put all these links in my blog. And I've got the actual details right from the CME group. I don't know the minimum cost yet. I believe I saw $25, which is not too bad. If that's the case, maybe $50 is still pretty good. If anyone out there knows, just put them in the comments. I haven't really looked at it, but here's the volume for both the options on and futures as well, and micro. So it's an interesting development. And this is just the last, well, 2-3 working days. All right, so if you want, just let me know which direction you would go, which you're interested in learning. Let me know. Again, just go to the Quant Labs channel and go under the community, and that's for the survey. I don't do surveys on Twitter, Facebook. I get very little response, even though I only get, but it's a little bigger than 1 or 2 people. Here we get like woohoo 15, but it's good enough for me to get an idea. All right, so we'll leave it at that. If you're interested in these topics and where I go, make sure you get on our email list, quantlabs.net/contact, and I'd be interested to hear from you. Also, I've got about 3 new courses I'm looking at because our Python course is pretty popular, and it will be all in relation to that. Everything's in Python now, #1 language, as well as here you can get into Python as well for the options if that's the choice you want. I mean, I prefer Motorwave, a legit platform. I mean, unfortunately, for those that may not like Java, but whatever. And there you go. Again, go to quantlabs.net/contact. Let me know what you think. Or go to our community tab on the channel of YouTube, Quant Labs, and let me know your answer there. Thanks for watching. Have a good night, day, wherever you are, and have a good one. See ya.